Hi friends, welcome to week 7. I'm just going to go over the things that we're doing at home this week so you have a heads up, or if you get stuck on something, you can revisit this and look at the directions. So obviously in class this week, we're going to be doing a brain dump activity, which you'll do in class. And then what motivates you, this is an activity through Flipgrid that looks at specific factors in your life that help you stay motivated, which is super important to analyze. So you can open this, and then I have directions for you, and then you're just going to record a Flipgrid. And then I give you kind of like what your video should entail, and then there's the link for you to access Flipgrid. So that is either Monday or Tuesday, depending on where you're at for hybrid learning. We have tutorials this week, so if you're a distance learner, here's your digital one for you to complete. And then either Wednesday or Thursday, you are doing a focus note lesson. So I recorded a lecture on focus notes, so all the things that I want you to know about focus note taking and some of the specifics. So here's my lecture linked here, but I also have the slideshow that I go through in my lecture because there's a few times where I tell you to go watch the video clip. So for example, this one, you will come to the slideshow to watch the video clip, and a few others video clips that I have in here linked that I want you to watch throughout my lecture. So you'll just pause it. This is a document on the 5 phases of note-taking. So this is just helpful. It's just a resource that I discuss in the lecture, looking at different note-taking strategies and how we use our notes. And then you are actually going to take notes, which I give you these directions in the lecture, but you're going to take notes on how to take notes, which is kind of funny. But you can use your own sheet of paper. You can print off a Cornell note sheet online. You can grab one from my classroom before you do this lesson. Otherwise, I have a digital one linked here too. And if you like to take digital notes, you can do that as well. So that is our focus note-taking lesson. And you're going to hand your note sheet in when you're done, either digitally or when you see me in class. And then Friday's pretty simple. Just a study session. With our study session forms, I just want to make sure that you're being specific, okay? So don't just put like, I worked on AVID. Yes, I got my missing assignment done. You have to specifically tell me what class you're working towards to get better grades. And this is helpful too, like when I check your grades, I can see like what are you focusing on during your study sessions. If you're focusing on English and you have 100% in English, there may be a better class that you should be focusing on during that time, and we'll kind of analyze that as we go. So just make sure you're being very specific when you fill those out, and then those can be submitted in Schoology as well. I hope you all have a great week. If you need anything, please let me know.